you'll need just a few tools for this installation: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or a panel rivet removal tool. To begin the installation process for your low beams, pop the hood and locate the air intake duct. On there you'll notice two fasteners. Go ahead and remove those. Next, remove the air intake duct. Locate the dust cap behind the headlight. This is where you're going to find the low beam bulb. You'll notice I already have the LED bulbs installed. But don't worry, swapping the bulbs out is very easy. Simply hold the back of the bulb and twist counterclockwise. You'll notice that the LED bulb wiring is actually a little longer, and that's okay. All you have to do is tuck the extra wiring into the headlight housing. Once the wiring is tucked, replace the dust cap and everything's set. Moving on to the left headlight, locate the fastener holding the windshield washer fluid. Remove that fastener. Push the filler tube of the windshield washer fluid aside. Now you have access to the dust cap for the left headlight. The process will be the same here. Reinstall the filler tube of the windshield washer fluid into its original position, and don't forget to reinstall the air intake duct with its two fasteners. Here's a comparison between the HIDEXTRA 6K low beam headlight kit on the top left, the OEM bulbs on the top right, and the Razir LED lights from HIDEXTRA on the bottom. Notice how the HID kit on the top left takes a while to warm up, while the Razir LEDs are an instant on. The HID bulbs seem to have a blue tinge to them as well. However, both the HID kit and the LED kit have a sharper cutoff than the OEM bulbs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your continuous support. I'll see you next time. Peace. So once we have put the ballast in place, what we're going to do now is go ahead and put the headlight in its correct spot.